I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by finding the offending message inside the Messages app or the conversation thread in Guide. Once you see the exact message, press it to open it so the content is highlighted. This ensures you report the right item. Then, move immediately to More Options or press the Controller menu button to reveal actions. You do this first because reporting an exact message captures context and metadata, which helps enforcement act correctly and prevents reporting the wrong person or unrelated chat. Now you choose Report and pick the most accurate reason: harassment, hate speech, explicit content, or spam, because precise categories speed review. Once done, add any optional details such as a brief description, relevant timestamps, or note that you have screenshots. These extras clarify context. Make sure to confirm your selection so the system queues the report. Xbox will attach user and message metadata automatically, which is why your chosen reason and added details improve the chances of an appropriate outcome. Finish by checking enforcement history in Settings or online to see the case ID and outcome. Decisions often appear within 72 hours. If the report didn't submit or you get an error, try again from the guide or use the Xbox Safety web form. This retry ensures the system received the complaint. Meanwhile, block or mute the user to stop contact right away. If things go wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is to capture a screenshot and retry. Evidence makes repeat submissions effective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.